Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be starting off with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C1, and I'm using a pale concealer just so the colors that I'm using today can pop out more.
That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. Bet you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you
So the palette I'm going to be using today is the James Charles palette. I know, please don't judge me, okay? This is a judge-free zone, but I'm going to be taking the pink and the purple color just to start off, and then we're going to be cutting the crease after that with the same concealer. So yeah. So this part is not really going to be so in depth and slow. So what I'm going to be doing next is taking the glitter glue by Eye Candy and patting onto my lid, and then taking the glitter in Kiki by Violet Voss and patting that on, and then using the Mayo makeup eyeliner in the deepest blue. I believe it's like a bluish purple color. I just wet it with the glitter glue and then went over like my cut crease. But I was in a rush because I was trying to go to work. So like I said, yeah, it's not going to be real in depth, but if you guys want me to do another tutorial like this with more like detail and slower, just let me know in the comments below. So now I'm just color correcting with my NYX color correcting palette. I'm taking that peach shade and going where, you know, my dark circles are, patting it out with my finger to warm up the product. It's best to use it that way because it sinks into the skin a little bit more, and plus I put on primer before this, so just to make sure it stays. The lashes that I'm using are by they're by Kiss in the style Gala, and then I'm going to be taking Clio and the Juvia's Place highlighter and just highlighting my brow bone and making sure that it pops. I also am taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the color Truffle. Truffle is more so my summer color because I definitely did get darker, so I'm going to be taking that all over my face with a foundation brush. And then this one's kind of like a flat brush. This one's by Real Techniques. It came in a set. So after that, I'm going to be buffing it out with the fluffier, rounder foundation brush. The concealer I'm going to be using today is the MAC 24-hour wear concealer. This one is the smoothing one, and then I'm going to be taking the darkest shade in my color correcting palette and contouring my face. I'm taking a Real Techniques blending concealer brush and just patting the concealer in. I really love this brush because it fits like the under eye area of my face. Also, I like to use creams and like a creamy concealer, and also I like to use creams as my contour because I feel like it just gives more of a skin finish and it doesn't really leave me, you know, looking cakey. So I'm just going to blend that out with that brush, and then I'm going to take another Real Techniques buffering brush, and I'm going to go into the hollows of my cheeks and my forehead and my nose as well, and just make sure everything's blended. So now I'm going to be going over the places that I highlighted with the Stay Matte Not Flat powder by NYX and the color Sienna, and then I'm going to be taking the deeper color by the same company but the color Cocoa, and then using the Rihanna Fenty Beauty, I think it's Mimosa Sunset or Sunset Mimosa, and I'm going to be using that as a blush. And I like to take it up on like my, I would say like my brow bone area because it kind of gives it more definition, and I went in on my nose as well. And I'm just going to be using the Fix Plus by MAC as my setting spray, and then using the highlighter by Juvia's Place. Watching my video. So today I'm gonna announce the winner of the giveaway. I'm gonna go to work first, and then I'm gonna make an extra video, and I'm gonna show y'all who is the winner. I'm gonna put it at the end of this video, show their picture, and to whoever it is, congratulations on winning the giveaway. I'll have more to come, but let me take this shit off. I'll have more to come. Thank you guys for watching my video. Also, subscribing and participating. I really do appreciate the love and support. So, like I said, thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Shout out to Isabel Serta. You are the giveaway winner. Thank you for tuning in and showing so much love and support on my videos and also on my Instagram. I'll be sending you all the goodies very soon. So thank you for everyone who has participated and stay tuned for my next one.